Hello, good day everyone. Hope you're all right. Thanks for clicking and welcome to my session on sentence correction. The aim of this session is to help you avoid any grammar mistake while writing and thereby improve your writing skills. I have written a few sentences here. There is a mistake in all these sentences. We will examine these sentences and correct the mistakes. As you are aware, achieving immaculate writing skills has many benefits. This will help you communicate by drafting effective emails, letters, and faxes, and thereby impress your colleagues or higher-ups at your office or workplace. And if you're preparing for a competitive exam, it will help you excel in the exam and thereby land up in your dream job. So we have to learn English grammar. But please remember, don't try to incorporate complex grammar rules in spoken English because this will affect your fluency in communication. I had posted a video previously a few months back on sentence correction. This video was in pretty detail discussing various types of errors and its examples and benefits of having good writing skills. I suggest that you watch this video if you are interested. I will post the link of that video. Now let's get started and move on to our first sentence. Our first sentence is there some chance of visiting her at the hospital? Where do you think the mistake is in this sentence? This is an interrogative sentence. You know, there are a few types of sentences, namely declarative sentence, exclamatory sentence, imperative sentence, and interrogative sentence. This is an interrogative sentence. Here, the problem is in an adjective. Okay, in an interrogative sentence, some cannot be used. Adjective some cannot be used. Instead, it should be replaced by any. And the sentence can be read as, is there any chance of visiting her at the hospital? Now let's move on to our next sentence. In the budget, much of the problems related to human development have not been addressed. Are you able to make out the mistake in this sentence? Here, the mistake is with the word much. As you may be aware, there are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable noun refers to items that can be counted. For example, pen, board, apple, orange, and we can easily find plural for this noun. For example, apples, oranges. And for uncountable noun, cannot be counted. For example, air, water, rice, etc. The word much is used for uncountable nouns, whereas the word many is used for countable nouns. Here, this much should be replaced by many. Because the noun problem is a countable noun. Okay? So we have to use many instead of much. And the sentence can be read as, in the budget, many of the problems related to human development have not been addressed. Now let's move on to our next sentence. If the principal allows us to carry the flag, John and me will be leading the procession. Where is the mistake in this sentence? This is a mistake of pronoun case. There are a few cases for pronoun, like subjective case, objective case, and possessive case. Subjective case example is I, objective case is me, and for possessive case it's mine. Okay, here when we examine the sentence, it is written as John and me. Me signifies objective case. Okay, but here we require subjective case instead of objective case. Okay, then what is the subjective case of me? Which is I. So we have to replace me with I, and the sentence can be read as, if the principal allows us to carry the flag, John and I will be leading the procession. Now let's move on to our next sentence. The actions of the chief minister is a gross abuse of power. Where do you think the mistake in this sentence? This is a case of error in subject-verb agreement. Here, let's examine the subject and verb in this sentence. Here, the subject is actions. Okay, and the verb is. You know, the word actions is plural in form and is singular. Here, the verb is made to agree with the noun near to the verb, which is chief minister, rather than its proper subject, which is actions. Okay, the actions is plural and the verb is singular. So there is a mismatch between subject and verb. So we have to correct this verb to plural, which is are. To correct this sentence, and the sentence can be read as, the actions of the chief minister are a gross abuse of power. Now let's move on to our next sentence. The empire of Shah Jahan was geographically bigger than Akbar. Where is the mistake in this sentence? This is a case of error in comparison. Here, the empire of Shah Jahan is being compared to the empire of Akbar, right? But this sentence conveys the meaning that the Shah Jahan's empire is compared with Akbar, not his empire. So, in order to correct this sentence and to get the correct meaning, we have to add that of. Before Akbar to correct this sentence. And the sentence can be read as, the empire of Shah Jahan was geographically bigger than that of Akbar. That's it for today's session. Hope it helped you learn something. Please consider subscribing and give a thumbs up if you like the content, and share with others whom you wish to improve their English. Thanks for watching. all the way to the end. Have a good day.